Becky? It's John.
John Martino? The John Martino?
I told you I'd call.
I totally didn't believe you. And besides, it's 2 a.m.
No, I'm sorry, it's so late. It's just that I couldn't wait. I kept thinking that you're pretty great since I met you today.
Me? Really?
Yeah. I'm just calling to see how you are.
I'm sorry, I'm caught way off guard. See, I followed you since you starred in that film, The Judgment Day.
Oh, you saw that one.
Of course, it's my favorite PureFlix film. I can tell you're an actor I've truly respected. The one star I always suspected had real depth. I felt connected to every role you play.
Really?
Well, yeah. I can tell you have a heart of service. You clearly have a deeper purpose. There's so much more under the surface, and I always hope someday I get to know what's underneath. I get to know what's underneath. I get to know what's underneath. I get to know what's underneath.
Wow, I'm flattered, really, I am, but thanks. But as I said, I've been thinking about you all day, and I'd really love to get to know you more.
Me? Really?
Totally.
Wow, I'm so not used to this. I mean, I'm not the type I thought you'd miss. Most guys tell me I'm such a priss, and well, maybe I am.
Don't say that.
It's just with you being a movie star, I always knew you from afar. I gotta put this one in my memoir, 'cause it'll never happen again.
You say you're a priss, but I know you're not. In fact, I think you're pretty hot. I bet you don't even know what you got. I know beauty when I see it. The time that your eyes first met mine, I could tell they had a special shine. Plus I said, now this one has a spine. There's no doubt to me it's real. I wanna know what's underneath. 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 So what is there that I should know if this friendship is to grow? That side that you don't always show everyone you meet.
I'm a small town girl, it's a quiet scene. I clearly love the silver screen. I was not exactly prom queen. I've been labeled shy and sweet. Now I wanna know more about you. What does a big movie star do other than staying up till 2 to call a girl?
I read books about philosophy. I love Greek and Roman history. I've got this insatiable need to see the wonders of the world.
Really? Wow, I had no idea. I love those things. Now I know. I wanna know what's underneath. I wanna know what's underneath. I love a man who wants to know what's underneath. I wanna know what's underneath.
Sounds like we're a lot alike.
I knew it, I had this feeling.
I can't tell when I hit a stride.
Wow, my mind is reeling.
So now that we know what we want, what say I take a lift and jaunt up to your Upper West Side haunt and let the moment seize us.
Wait, I'm sorry. Is that why you called? To underneath the sheets?
Well, yeah, that's not what you meant?
No. I love Jesus.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Okay then. So that means that you don't want to.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, goodbye.